Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix WordPress website not updating right away. And there are a few issues which can cause this problem. First of all, you want to go ahead to your browser, go ahead to the settings of your browser, then privacy and security, and you want to delete the browsing data, and you want to check these cached images and files, and you can choose all the time, last 4 weeks, and delete the data. Now, if that didn't fix your problem, then there might be an issue with your caching plugin on WordPress. So for example, let's go to my plugins. I have a plugin installed which is called BW Free Total Cache. If you don't have it, just go ahead and add a new plugin which would do a caching. There's a lot of options you can choose from. WP Optimize is a really popular one. Lightspeed Cache is the most popular one, and there's also this one, W Free Total Cache. If you already have it, just go to that plugin. And I just clicked on settings, and now you will have an option here to empty all caches. So what you want to do is go ahead and empty all the caches from your site, and this should fix the problem of yours. And yeah, if this video helped you in any way, please leave a comment down below, like this video, and subscribe to this channel. I will see you next time. Bye.